Hello children, welcome to Science World. Today I am going to take about adaptation in plants presented by Carolyn teacher, grade 4, block 4 and S2. As different plants are found in different surroundings, special features are developed by the plants. To adjust in these surroundings, these features are known as adaptations. Adaptations are the reason why some plants can survive in conditions where other plants cannot. Let us study about different plants and their adaptations. So adaptations are based on habitats. So terrestrial plants are divided into many types. They are plants in mountains, plants in deserts, plants in marshy areas, plants in coastal regions, plants in plains. Now we are going to see plants in plains. Here you can see mango tree. Have you seen the mango tree? Yes, mango tree, Gulmohar and Ashoka. So here the trees found in the plains are dependent. See here, the trees found in the plains are deciduous trees. They provide a shade. This they shade. They provide us shade. So they shed leaves in winter and give us enough sunlight to protect us from cold. So people, banyan, mango, gulmohar, shisham, sal, these are the plains trees. Did you observe? Yes. Now we will go with next one. We will go with next one. Plants on mountain regions you are going to see now. On mountains how the plants will be. See here, just you observe. Plants on mountains here. So plants on mountains have tall and straight trees. These trees have long needle shape, long needle like leaves from which snow slips easily, right? They are popularly known as coniferous trees. These trees do not bear flowers but bear cones. So the seeds are conical in shape. These trees can withstand for cold. See, observe the picture on the mountain. See how the snow is falling over there. Example, deodar, pine and fir. See the mountain trees, how it is. See, observe carefully how these are. See how these trees are. Yes, see cones. These are cones. See here. Coniferous. These are called coniferous. Now we will go with next one. We will go with the plants which will grow in, yes, so now we will go coastal regions. The plants which will grow in coastal regions. See the plants which will grow in coastal regions. Coastal regions, see here how it will be. The plants which will grow in coastal regions, the plants growing have needs plenty of water and sunlight. So the trees have many leaves and they do not shed their leaves in winter. So they are called evergreen trees. Coconut, sea lavender, horse palm, these are all coastal region plants. Now we will go with next one. We will go with plants in deserts. See here, you can see plants in deserts. So here plants in desert, due to dry and hot in the desert, due to little rainfall to prevent the loss of water through stomata, the desert plants have spines instead of leaves. Example, cactus, palm, brittle bush, babul, acacia. These are the desert plants. So now we will go with the marshy regions. We will go with the marshy regions. See in the marshy regions how the trees will be. Just you observe swampy areas. In swampy areas, the soil holds too much water and the roots cannot breathe. Mangrove trees that grow in these regions have roots hanging from their branches so they can breathe. So these are the uh, terrestrial plants. Now you complete from your reader, complete question number fourth one. Question number 4 you complete. What are some unique features of plants growing in following regions? Mountains, swampy areas and deserts. Then you complete workbook also. Page number from your workbook. Page number 25. Plants on lands. Just you read and complete. View the video and complete carefully. Thank you.